Hi all, welcome to our channel Alampana TV. In this video, we'll be making a famous street food that will be found in every street and corner of India. It's called Golgappa or Panipuri. I absolutely love the taste of it. We're going to make Pani Puris with the help of Heera. It comes with the puris which you have to fry, and we also have the masala which you add water to it. I'm going to go home and start cooking the Pani Puris. It's such a pleasant day today. It's always fun to have a walk when it's sunny. I'm going to cut the packet now. This is the masala packet. We're going to add water to this. This is one of the puris we're going to deep fry. Let's deep fry. Look, it's popping up.
Wow!
We're almost done. Come on, let's see what we have prepared to make the Pani Puris. We have boiled chickpeas, tamarind sauce, yogurt, mashed potatoes with coriander, and chopped onions. Now we're going to make the masala. We're going to add 3 cups of water. You can add any more or any less if you want to. I'm going to show you how to make an amazing Pani Puri. First, we need to make a hole. Not too small, not too big. Add the boiled chickpeas. I think it needs to be a little bigger. Yeah, now we can add more chickpeas. Now we add the tamarind sauce. And a bit of the mashed potato and coriander. Some onions. And some masala now. Gonna eat it. This is really good. One thing, when I eat it, I put it all in, but for my brother, it's really hard. And mostly when you eat Pani Puri, you eat it in one go. When you have the tamarind, it gives you that tangy kind of taste. And when you have the masala pani, it gives you that masala. And when you eat it together, it's such a good combo. I'm making this one for Diane. Diya!
I'm here.
Oh, I didn't know where you were. And have this. And remember, all in one go.
No.
Yes. Bite it. Bite it. We've had Panipuri, now we're going to make Dhai Puri. Dhahi is nothing but yogurt. I want my dad to help me. Dad, come on.
Super Dhai Puri is prepared, so now Heera is going to taste it.
Okay, I'm gonna taste it now. I've just got a new favorite food. This is really nice.
A plate of Pani Puri is ready. Just we have to add the pani.
We're here for a Panipuri picnic. Heera makes this very, very easy. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and comment in this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Alampana TV. Bye! That was really yummy. Dad, do you want some?
Of course, but I need the entire plate.
I said some, not all.
I'm taking the entire plate as well as this. Thank you.
Honestly.